In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress Dropbox file size online. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Once the page loads, sign into your account using your own login details. After you're logged in, look for the Files section and open it. This is where all of your stored documents, images, videos, and other items are organized. Take a moment to locate the file you want to compress so you can work with the correct one. Now, before you can compress the file, you'll need to download it from Dropbox to your device. Find the file you want to make smaller, then right-click on it. From the menu that appears, choose Download. Your browser will then begin saving the file to your computer or your phone's local storage, depending on the device you're using. Make sure you remember where the file is saved because you'll need to open that same file in the next part of the process. If you're using a phone, either Android or iPhone, the next step is to use a file compression app. Install an app such as RR or Zarkaver if you don't already have one on your device. Once the app is installed, open it and browse to the file you just downloaded from Dropbox. Select the file, then look for the option that says Compress or Create Zip. Tap that option to create a compressed version of the file. In most cases, the app will save a new zip file in the same folder or in a location you choose during the process. It's a good idea to check the final file name so you can easily recognize the compressed version when uploading it later. After the compression is complete, go back to the Dropbox website. From there, find the Upload option and click it. Select the newly compressed file from your computer or phone storage, then begin the upload. Wait for Dropbox to finish transferring the file. If you want to keep things organized, you can replace the old version if needed, especially if the zip file is meant to take its place. That's all there is to it. You download the original file from Dropbox, compress it on your device using a zip app, and then upload the smaller version back to Dropbox. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll have a cleaner and more storage-friendly version of your file ready to use.